Hi, and welcome to the Dapper Sprig and to Sandy's tips today. Today we are going to be talking about scissors, shears, and pinking shears. We have these scissors, which are just regular kitchen scissors. I use these to cut out all of my paper patterns. Nothing really fabric related with these. These are my Holy Grail scissors. No one touches these or they die. These are for fabric. These are mainly for what I use in all of my sewing. These are pinking shears, and pinking shears are mostly, they're used for, they cut like a zigzag edge. Right here you can see this, hopefully. It has a zigzag edge, and what that does is it helps when you're finishing off edges, it helps to keep them from fraying. So I hope you've enjoyed these scissor tips from the Dapper Sprig. Stay dapper, and we'll talk to you next time.